channel. I have got an update on my Etsy shop. I've actually got numerous updates on my Etsy shop. This is the only one that y'all are going to see today. And this is what I've been so busy with. This is one of the things. I was just going to share with y'all a few of these hearts that I made inspired by Grace and Lace. She has a video where I was inspired to create some of these, and I've just been busy with that recently. But no, the video is not about these, but I wanted y'all to see them because they're so pretty. So pretty. And final one. Okay, so what is new in my Etsy shop? These digitals. And I was just about to use this one on a journal that I'm working on, and I thought, wait a second, you have not done the video. Do the video first, then use it. And so I'm excited to show y'all what I'm going to be using it on. Rather, not what I'm going to be using on, but what I use it on as well. So these are some new digitals in my shop. There's eight of them. And I think they're so pretty, and I love how the light hit the sequins, and just so pretty. But there are 8 prints. They are digitals. I will not ship these to you. You'll have to download them, and you can print them out at your will. Use them whenever you want, how many ever times you want. And I think that they're just gorgeous. Do y'all see those Crafty Me shop laces in there? Yes. There's lots of them in there. And they make for beautiful digitals, I think. I am truly excited about these and can think of so many different ways and different projects to use them on. I printed out one page on the photo mat paper. It's a heavier, much heavier paper, and I printed out, oh, so pretty. I printed out this one on that paper because I'm going to make some tags out of it, and I wanted something really sturdy, and I think it turned out just gorgeous. Anyway, that is it for the Etsy update, y'all. And you know, if y'all are interested, if y'all like what y'all see, visit my shop and purchase y'all some. I would be really thankful, and if you can, you know, show me what you do with them. Thanks for watching. Bye.